colors curve across the sky. And I remember my first rainbow. Seems like 1,000 years ago. I asked Mama, what's a rainbow for? She said, after the rain comes, after the rain, after the rain comes the sun. She said, after the rain comes, after the rain, after the rain comes the sun. Your shining light will be my guide. Leads me to a place where I don't need to hide. The heavens open up the door. My dreams so innocent and pure. You are beautiful within the rays of light. You are beautiful without the jewels of light. Let your spirit capture me. My love is blind. You are beautiful within. You are beautiful without. You are beautiful within.